Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, and very special. And guys, wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where I'm watching this vlog. And today, I'm just coming live and from Villa Madelline, guys, around here, and it's a bright morning, as you can see. So, man, we're so blessed, and you heard the noise for the birds moving from one trees to another. We have the green phone, we have the dove, man. So we're just over here, and at the same time, we celebrate. So today it's an holiday day, 21st October. Every year, 21st October, we celebrate Jamhuri Day. So in case you're on today's videos and you are Kenyans by citizenship, let's celebrate together. And if you are from abroad, just celebrate and see how Kenyan were being celebrated. So I think technically from deep village, like for us here, maybe only we watch from TV how people were being celebrated, guys. Before that, I wish you happy Monday, guys. So I want to take you around and see what is going on. So everything is good here, and we thank God, man, for the gift of life. Each and every second, I want to say, God, thank you, thank you, thank you. And today, guys, I'm not on my construction site or in my project, so maybe can we work on Saturday to finish my washroom. So yesterday we worked up to night time, and I'm so sorry I haven't shown you how we cut the tiles from we take the tiles from home to Nyambuhanzi to cut them. So because it's so late, guys, so I think on Saturday I'll show you. So I want to finish the washroom, and then when God opened the door, anytime I will fix the toilet, and then we shall move so on. And guys, I want to say thank you so much. You are my big family, and I really appreciate for that, because, man, nowadays I'm standing in front of you because you made it possible. So today, I want to take you around and see what is going on. And sometime, man, sometimes I feel so happy, man, because dreams are valid for sure. So if you want to chase the dream outside here, every day you want to work hard, so hard. So at the same time, we have some people at the garden there digging. So we have the chilling point. Maybe less than 2 years, you will see that view for the garden, you know. So likewise, let me take you there and see how people are working, guys. Wow. So I'm outside, let's go. Wow. So this Villa Madelline 2024. This Villa 2024, and let's show you how there's some guy who dig here. So I think by tomorrow morning we shall pump water. We're supposed to pump water today, but yesterday it's raining time. So I want to show you. So the level of water increased. You see, it have been increased, guys. So maybe we pump next day. Wow. So let me show you, guys. Here you have upcoming new chilling point. This some grass here. So that being said, less than 2 years, this place, when you come here, it's really changed 100%. At the same time, I am more planted here some coconut trees, this one here, mango trees around here. So we try to they try to dig them and it can have some good place. Well, see, these are slippery veggies, guys. Here, look, have them here. So these are ranquet tree. This one here, have many of them, guys. Eh? Narai. Eh. Well, sorry guys, what is good morning? Eh, Narai. Well, guys, you see, they are digging here. Koga mori. No motere kona kimorako. Oh guys, they are digging here, and I'm telling her we have some slippery veggies here. We called morenda, guys. This one here. When we mix with meat, just going like one way. When it reaches the mouth point, direct to the stomach. Wow. So they try to dig here. Unaonaje? Tutoe pampu ama tufagie hiyo matawi ndani? Tutoe matawi? Anakuja. So I was talking with Mr. Gaki. There I supposed to remove some leaves inside there. Yeah? Say hello. Hey. Hello. You know this vest is resemble for the flag from US.
Yeah, this is from US, not resemble. It is from US.
Yes, resemble the flag of US.
Yes, this is Mosab John. As you can see, we are weeding here to make sure the compound is green enough. We are almost going to finish this side, but I think we are going to work here at least 3 days.
Yeah, no pressure. As long as it's a contract, you dig until you finish.
Yes.
So
go there, subscribe to Her Baby Official and here Mosab John.
Yes.
Also go there, subscribe my channel.
Maybe I have my friend outside there or my fans who don't know how to hold the jembe and dig. Just dig and then they see how you dig.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are digging.
Mbuyura katendra kim. Ongentera
manyanki.
Marapa.
Kana ko tukmana asa ko usitra manyanki.
So ko ngentera marapa.
Harubi.
Ngentera kim marapa maru. Kamu morenda go hano nyuri mogere kwihara gotera.
Tara ko si ko wa. Abiri ko hano. Wogo no buru ko kuma wogo no ko gera. Yes,
you know guys, we have some slippery veggies that been said early. This one here. Wow. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes. You continue. So let's see guys. I suppose to remove some leaves from the fish pond, and we thank God we're so blessed. Yesterday you have a lot of rain, and we're supposed to pump water yesterday, but God opened the door. Rain come through the fish pond, and now fish pond is enjoying. So far so good. Let's see. And as my brother sweeping this highway, I supposed to use that stuff to remove the leaves inside here. So we see guys, the level of water is increased. Now you can't see the fish. Wow. Sini huko tu ndo naenda kutoa. Huko mwisho. Matawi. You know God is good. Now water is increased. So maybe
for now we have for now there's a lot of rain.
Yes, you know that gasoline, you just keep it. until when the water goes down, we pump. Say hello to my people.
Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Hello Baby official YouTube channel. My name is Gake, and we are just coming like from this amazing side of Villa Medellin. And as you can just see, guys, we're just trying our best so that we can just ensure that everything is just moving perfect and great. So I was just doing some sweeping mess over here and there, and I've just finished. So I'm just going to remove some leaves from the water or from the fish pond. After there, I'm just going to do the feeding of the fish, and then we should just see how the day
will end.
How the day has for us, guys. So here we go. So keep watching the video, subscribe and like the videos.
Yes,
share.
and guys, don't forget.
Yeah, don't
Big
forget.
stories coming with
Soon.
my brother.
Yeah.
Soon. Maybe we'll go live.
Yeah, no, that's live.
Live.
6 hours live.
Okay. Oh, my friend, there's a frog here. Uh-oh. Okay. Or ama uyalete hivi kwenye kona. Ya ndo uyalete hivi kwenye kona. Yalete yote kwenye kona hivyo. Or you want to jump inside? They brought the cone.
You're sweeping the water. Yes, Dr. Kebe. What's our name?
Hivi ndo yanini kwa wapi? Ha?
Hapo tu hivi.
Haya basi, tega chini leo. Sasa umesema iko hapa kama uko ndani? Wow guys, so I'm looking. I'm trying to take this bucket here. Oh, wow guys. So this is water, and also have the mopper to clean here. Yes, guys, see. Nisikie kidogo. The end. It's never jacket. So guys, you can see 100% now the work have been going on. It's good and perfect one, guys. At least it goes to the views of the house. So see guys, and my brother have already feeding the fish pond. Oh, the fish, guys, I mean. I'm so confused. So hapo shakuwa tayari? Hapo shakuwa ready? Okay. Wow. Let's see, guys. Right. Okay, just a minute. Let me take the jacket. And guys, are you ready for this? Stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and we'll try maybe to change the view or the location, and you shall enjoy, guys. And don't forget, guys, to celebrate Jam Holiday today, guys. It's our day. Oh wow, guys, so I'm just over here with Mr. Gake, and so guys, in case you're new here, we just arrived from Nyabuhansi up to here, and it's a lot of kilometers. So as you can see around here, and we have avocado trees. This is where the cows live, man. I'm telling you, around here you see the cow dung here. So we just accompanied my friend here, Mr. Gake, and maybe next year we shall do something amazing. Oh guys, you see, so he tried to change the mom lifestyle. Actually he want to migrate from this one to other side. So this is where my my friend's mothers got married. If you don't know her, if you don't know him, Mr. Gake or Gake himself. So here is where where her mama got married, within here. So that being said, guys, we just live in deep village, but we thank God for the gifts of life. We thank God to be born and raised in Africa. So that's the real life in Africa here. As you can see, we have avocado trees. Every house that you go, guys, you have avocado trees. That is our backbone. So let's see, we outside. You see the maize? Wow, you see the trees, and this the pits are tree. All the toilet, guys, it's built like a kind of you can see, guys, even on the roof. Look, guys. So this is the toilet, and it can help the communities or the family like this one. Although right now people have been migrated from here, going that way, other side, and so far so good. Mr. Gake, he want to change her mom lifestyle. So that is it, and we're so grateful to be here, and let's our mom celebrate the success which are coming every month, every single minute. And over here we have the banana trees, guys. I'm telling you, let me take you and give you quick tour. You can see the muddy house. So means that our entire community that are staying here, they want to demolish everything here. Everybody disperse. And you know the good thing about in African culture, as long as when you come adulthood, you're supposed to migrate and to have your own share of the land. You build the house like this one here, man. Everybody gets out of this compound. And Mr. Gake's grandma migrate to other side. I want to show you. So right now the big aim to be here is Mr. Gake, guys. Actually he want to build her mama dream house, you know. Dream are valid. So like for me, when I get maybe support from you guys, I want to build my mom dream house. So you can see we have the passion fruits here. Look. Hey, let me show you guys. You see this is passion fruit, man. Look guys. So her grandma from Mr. Gake, this is where Mr. Gake mama got married, and her grandma to Mr. Gake migrate to other side. You see the house over there? So everybody, they want to migrate from here. Brothers to Mr. Gake our uncles to Mr. Gake have already migrated to other side. So which have been remaining is father to Mr. Gake to migrate. So guys, I want to say thank you so much to have a good son like me and Mr. Gake and rest of them. We just show you some success which we just working for daily to give you maybe some good fruit, like oh wow. Marisa have food just finish and then you come. Yes, that's Mr. Gake. And I'm telling him, if you finish, you just come. And over here we have some orange trees over here, although it's not around, it's not here, it's not matured enough, but you can see some flowers, guys. Imagine this one here. And the land was fertile, and here you have the cereal veggies. In the morning I was showing you, even right now, look, you found like you're walking this land, you found the green veggies and whatever. So far so good. You can see some maize over there, and it's a lot of hectares, but different people's, different maybe brothers and sisters, a lot of land and a lot. So that being said earlier, farming is our backbone. Man, let me show you this maize. You can see here you have another neighbor to Mr. Gake's home. His neighbor over there. Oh, I see a nice house over there, guys. Over there, right there, guys. Their house. So you can see this maize, and it's growing big, man. I'm telling you, even I'm shocked. The soil that have made this village, rather than my home, man, are very fertile, guys. I'm telling you. Wow. So technically, the reason why being here is to build Ayamasubo or Mr. Gake's mothers, and this is the rat train here. So we try to demolish everything, you know. Wow, guys. Soon you shall see, guys. That is it. So you know, guys, to have a good son and good daughter is to see when the success is coming, guys. Like everybody have been migrated from here. Wow. So I'm just over here with my brother. Let me see that plan. Maybe it's amazing.
That is the plan, guys. So that's the plan.
3-bedroom.
Yeah, that's true.
For me,
yeah.
Even me, yeah. I have already changed the plan.
Yeah, why?
Because I want to put like for your grandma there.
Okay, guys.
For me, I tell my people that everybody have been migrated here to different shares of the land.
Yeah, that's true. I'm just telling them that here in Africa, people always do when you have your land, just leave your father's place, you go, you just do the building of it again. So guys, actually here's where we should just be doing. On 23rd, guys, we're going to do the...
This month?
Yeah, this month. 23rd of this month, we're just going to do we're just going to bring some materials. Like I'm just going to bring 5 tippers of stones.
Yes, like which I had from your uncles. Yeah. It's because when it's raining time, because when it's raining, you can hold like this.
Okay.
Because when it's raining time, you must be maybe doing hurry up, bring stones, balance stones, sand. Yeah. So when it goes to rain, every material on the ground. Okay. So the work is to come with mason. Boom. Boom. So we just work with you. until your mama house being finished.
Okay.
Yes, you can show where.
So
Yes.
here's the place where I'm just going to build.
Within here.
So here this position. They're going to build over here so that her dream comes true, guys. So here we go. So actually we have just started gathering some materials. So like let me just say tomorrow I'm just going to put myself good so that I can just start gathering material for myself. So guys, if you're watching this, kindly watch till the end so that actually you can just support me because you're watching till the end, give me some good revenue. So that's how it is, guys. So here we go, guys. So keep enjoying the video and just tell us
Alright guys, so I'm just over with Mr. Gaki. So what pushed you to build your mama house?
like I just say that like my dream was to go and buy and do the purchasing of the land, but I just said that before I do the purchasing of the land, my mom had just been making some bricks over the other side of Nyabuhanse. So she had that dream of building her dream house, but I've just said that let me just come first of all, and before I do the building of mine, let me just put, sometimes like I always learn from you that you just say that let's first let you give the first priority to your mom, and then you will just come next. So that's even me. I've just decided that let me just do so, and guys, here we go, guys. So soon everything is going to be super.
Okay,
super.
for example,
Yeah.
when you want to receive a lot of blessing, just build your mama dream house or your parent dream house, and then maybe you can build yours maybe anytime. Because for example, when you want to build your house and then you haven't built your mama house, just like, oh, my son build all this and this. So to get those maybe some issues, just to do so. So within here, guys, we see some foundation. Believe on us. And to be honest, guys, if maybe you can support in another way, guys, just do so. So you can maybe push Mr. Gaki's her mom dream house.
So guys, keep watching the video. If you first time watching this and haven't hit that subscription button, kindly hit that subscription button and just tell us what you think about this amazing vlog.
Guys, and our baby is here, guys. So stay tuned. We shall meet for the next video, guys. So guys, it's raining time after another destination, guys. We keep going. Look. This is a hotel here. Wow. Oh guys. Guys, we're running with time. Woo! It's raining. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, guys, east to west, home is the best. So we came back here at our main place, and actually, guys, I wanna give you special videos ever, and we walk around with my brother. So I suppose to end my videos, but I'm not here. So guys, if you're in touch to watch these videos, give a like, comment, and also guys, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, these videos might fall by subscribing, guys. And guys, this house, Mr. Gak, this is 4-bedroom or 3-bedroom? Yeah?
One is 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom?
Not 3-bedroom.
Yeah, guys, because I'm concerning, man, to build my mama dream 3-bedroom dream house like this. Wow. Wow. Yes. And then it's well organized, ceiling board, man, you can see all over. Wow, maybe I can stand from here. You can see the outlook for the house. Look, guys. And drop the sweet comment on this. What do you think about on this amazing vlog for the 3-bedroom house? And the window are well organized, well organized. Look, and I like the how it's been fixed. It's long, tall, and wide, guys. When you are sleeping inside here, you might see somebody outside here. And guys, we just running with kumefunguliwa. So man, we're running with rain, guys. Look, the sky is black. The sky is black, man. Look, so over there we have the hotel, we have church, Word of Faith. And that being said earlier, when you believe in God, everything's possible, guys. Everything's possible. So right now you have the balance stones here, the flower garden, guys. Look, super amazing, super amazing. You have the pipe here. See, guys, look at the house. It's amazing by itself. So guys, you have the material here, stones, but you know, like when it doesn't have a space to pour the material, you can pour here. Wow. Hey. Oh, you want to give an exact 3?
It's well furnished, only the putting of the windows and the maybe tiles,
Mm-hmm.
and then the final paints.
Even I like the fact of the ceiling board.
Yeah,
Can see, guys.
Let's check.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good.
So this is your mom bricks?
Yeah. So
Only this one?
yeah, these all of them.
Okay,
How
this
many?
one can be 2,000 or 3,000 there.
Okay.
Yes, approximately. But you can ask your mom.
But I think they are more than they are like 3,000 and.
Yes, I tell you it's 3,000. You see there?
Yeah.
So that one, I think it's 3,000. You just put 3,000. So when you add like let me 3,000 and then when you add 3,000,
Yeah.
so maybe when you delivered, it can maybe be 5,000.
Yeah.
And
So
then-
the plan is actually I want to do the transportation of this one from this other side, so that I can just I want to move from this other side, so that actually I can just do the I want to deliver this to the other side, so that during the time of the burning, I can just burn them together. So actually we're just going to pay again, so that they can just do for us another more.
3,000 like this?
Yeah.
Yes, you add.
Or how do you prefer, we buy or we?
So for me,
Yeah.
according to me,
Yeah.
just burn this one.
Yeah.
You deliver it, you burn there,
Yeah.
and then when it's missed
Yeah.
or reduced,
Yeah.
you can buy.
Okay.
Yes,
So we buy which are ready.
which are ready.
Maybe like for example, for like let me just say $100. That is 12,000 Kenyan money. Can just buy 2,000 bricks.
2,000.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's better than that. But it's good for her to start with this, and then after the days goes, we'll buy and purchase another one. Yeah.
Wow, guys. So we're just discussing my brother here. So these are the bricks for building her mama dream house. And guys, also don't forget, advise us just how might do on this, using blocks or using bricks. Advise us. But this house was being built by the bricks here. Wow, guys, super amazing. Oh, take that view, man. Okay, so guys, stay tuned. Oh, I'm leaving right now. Stay tuned, guys. So more amazing videos coming, and we have the sweet talk around here, guys. Well, guys, so I'm on the way heading to Villa Madelline, guys. So actually I left my phone there to be charged, and we are taking you to the new village where Mr. Gake born and raised. Wow, look, guys. And I'm outside with my baby, guys. It takes us around, and it helps us a lot. So I want to say thank you so much, Monkia. May God bless you, bro. Wow. Look, guys. Oh, guys, so I just arrived here. My baby's over there, and I want to end my video here by saying thank you so much for those people that keep supporting me by watching my videos. At least I can make in life. So far so good. Have the game phone here. This one here. They are talking. Still talk, man. Over there. Wow. Oh. And at the same time, on this side, we have the rabbit, and I want to see how it's doing, how the rabbit's doing, guys. You know. Let me see whether there's some food here. I wanna give them food. Okay, you have the Kelsey, because right now no food here. Because there's some Kelsey here. Look. Okay, let me give you food. So guys, I want to feed them some food, guys. Wow. At least yes, it can have the, and we have 2 rooms. So we have another rabbit inside here. You see, we have another one here. So that's the big one. So this one have been made. They have been having some kids, guys. Like this one, the kids of rabbit, young one, I mean. So that one is big. At least I give them a little bit. These are eating faster, guys. See, guys, they're enjoying right now. Wow. So that is it. And please, guys, if you haven't subscribed, maybe these videos you might have so it's still there. So you might have in touch to subscribe, and Lord to 6K subscriber, guys. Me, I'm just claiming the ladder slowly. So I'm going to check the tomatoes which we plant with Mr. Gake on the other side on the kitchen garden. So how it's doing. I remember the day when I was there, it was shedding some we calling some flowers. So far so good. Let's see, guys. The compound is super amazing, super cool, super chill, man. Everything's amazing here, and it's matter of taking care of the compound, and well organized, you know. Wow. So guys, for me, I'm feel so grateful. I'm feel so grateful 100%. In another way, me, I'm just flowing by. So here you must be very careful because already you have some water around here. Wow. Let's see, guys. East west home is the best. Like, oh man, this is what's coming out. You have the pond here. That's the pond. So it's reminding me during the construction of this perimeter wall, we normally fetching water here. Imagine sand here. The only thing we brought here is cement and stones. Imagine how fully this compound were being blessed. Imagine this, the whole sand here. What if, guys, if could you having every source in your land? Imagine. We thank God. We thank God for everything. For every single minute we thank God. Wow. So we wanna pass in here, like from the back. Oh wow, guys, I managed to pass here, and it's small, guys, small space. Pass this way, because when you make a big space, the cow might pass here and all stuff. Wow, wow. Even these veggies are doing good, man. Look, if you remember the time I was here, these veggies were too small, but right now, look, we call it saga. This is saga, guys. Wow. You see the channel, running channel of water? This way go to the clay bath down there. Wow. Even the skooma is doing good, man, because of rain is everything. So that being said, rain it's everything. Rain it's everything, man. Without rain, you can't make something which are very different. So rain it's a very important. Wow. So on the other side, wow, guys, I see huge progress. So guys, maybe you can ask me, hello baby, what's the importance of this stick here, this post, small post here? And then let me explain a little bit. So when you plant the tomatoes, we have some different types of tomatoes. So like us here, we plant these tomatoes. So like this one bunch of tomatoes, it can give you almost 100 tomatoes. So when you take this stick here or post, and actually this is a supporter, you can tie here with a rope, tie this way. So these tomatoes, it gonna goes around on that string round. So, and at the same time, the tomatoes not got spoiled or bad. So when this one been tightening here like this way, so these tomatoes, every time you come and then when it reach at this point, you tie it here. So your work is to come and peel some tomatoes fruits like this way. Like, man, it's crazy. I see some tomatoes here. Look, upcoming one. So it's needed a support. You see like this one. So the post is here. You do like this, you tight. But right now it's laid down. So we try to look. For the for the rope. So to tightening them and all stuff. Imagine. In our village, that's our village lifestyle. We have kales, we have tomatoes, we have every green veggies. Yeah. So it depends, matter of hard working and how you keep your time in terms of maybe planting something like this. Imagine. And a place. Actually, today we went to Mr. Gake's home where her mother got married. The land shocked me. Imagine, guys, when I'm compared the fertile land of this place and where we went with Mr. Gake, it's totally different. Where I went with Mr. Gake, it's a kind of black and pure fertile. But it make the same It makes maize like this one, the same, but different. It's the type of soil. Wow. Oh. Let's go and see what is going on, guys. That's how your son, hello baby, sometime struggle. So that's my struggle of my life. Maybe in future I could enjoy the fruit, guys. So one can sweat, and through sweat you put something on table. Trust me, guys. Trust me. Through my sweat I can put something on table. Even you guys, through your sweat, you can put also something on table. That is it. And I learned something new. Well, guys, I want to end this video with you. And in case you made these videos and you are new, please subscribe. Show your son, show your brother some love. You know, if I'm your brother, show him some love. And actually, guys, I was coming from there. Wow. Wow. Well, guys, if I'm your son, show me some love by subscribing my videos, by subscribing my channel, and by watching my videos. Like, comment, and also share my videos to your family. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about today's videos, guys. Wow. Well, guys, this is the state of the villa, Madelline 2024. Wow. Well, guys, so thank you so much. May God bless you. Shall meet for the next video, guys. Bye bye.